us think that India is in a bad shape. You think India is doing, the government, Congress thinks India is doing well. India thinks India is not doing well.
No, these are all the AAP supporters and BJP supporters. So, if today India is a growing country, it's a growing economy, under Rajiv Gandhi, under Narasimha Rao, under Manmohan Singh.
One second, the gentleman insists on responding to what you're saying. Just one second. Yes, you're a localite. What are you saying, sir?
This is very well planned from AAP and I think from BJP. If we could have also brought many thousand people from this area or any from part of Bangalore and we could have fought. And you're saying there are many people rising up for AAP and Modi. There is nothing like that. Rahul Gandhi is the right person to lead this country and and there is no Modi wave. All there. Some of the TV channels are promoting Modi. Just I think this is well planned. This is well planned and I don't believe in this. Yes, madam. This is well planned. This is well planned because we don't know. We could have also brought 1,000 people, 1,000 Congress workers who can support.
We put out. We put out on social media inviting.
Stop this. This is not the. You should stop this. This is not the right thing. You should stop this. We could have also brought 1,000 people. Okay, I think this is very well planned.
No. We invited everyone equally.
You have seen the Congress. So this is the real Congress that we have here. This is the real Congress that we have. You know.
No. You must allow. No. 1 second. I will not be bullied by anyone.
You are searching for a wave in a tsunami. There is a Modi tsunami and not Modi wave. Understand that. And about UPA model, there exists a UPA model, and the major salient feature of that is corruption.
Okay. No, 1 second. I want to go across to the third front, the Janata Dal also. Sir, you've been waiting for an opportunity to speak. What do you in the... Hey, Mr. Gandhi fans, please, silence. Silent. Relax. Sit down. Yes.
See, I'll tell you one thing. He rightly said that there is Modi tsunami. Tsunami is destructive. And Modi doesn't exist in Karnataka at all. I have traveled the length and breadth of the state. Modi doesn't exist at all. And talking about Congress, yes, definitely it is in a sad state. The future of Karnataka politics and the national politics belongs to the third front. The third front is going to be the major power where we are going to rule not by two individuals, Rahul Gandhi, neither Rahul Gandhi nor Modi. It is going to be somebody else, strong, capable.
Okay, I want to go across to a very astute observer of politics over here in Karnataka. Ma'am, I want to understand from you how important, how deep do you feel the Modi wave is in Karnataka?
See, I tell you, the wave is already there. Everyone knows about it. Like Valmiki Rama, they never wanted to say Rama, Mara. Then they went on repeating. Whether they like it or not, Modi is a problem. Everyone's tongue, it is the Modi. Now I tell you one thing. See, now India has become a sinking ship. We have to raise it. We need a good captain. Who is the good captain? It is only Modi. Because we want India to become the superpower. Who can begin? It can be done only by a Superman. And that Superman is nothing but other than Modi.
Why do you think Modi is a Superman?
He is a visionary. Because I tell you, in our constitution, 1935 constitution came. It has been copied by our constitution in the Constitutional Assembly. 235 articles have been copied. While along with the copying, they have copied the administrative rules and the judicial rules, which has to be revamped. Entire thing has to be revamped. That's the reason why we want Modi.
Why does Modi the Superman need an Adani plane to fly? I don't understand.
Why does Modi the Superman?
Because Kejriwal needs an India Today group to fly, plane to fly.
See, we need system dependent, not person dependent. When Modi has not handled his wife properly, how can he handle the country?
Okay, 1 second, you must respond. He's raising a point about the Adani planes that Modi flies.
I don't think that is an issue at all. Modi stands for development in this country. Arvind Kejriwal has been doing, there's one problem with Arvind Kejriwal. He has been laying a false conspiracy against Modi, saying that Modi is attached to Adani. Apart from this, there is no other campaign by Arvind Kejriwal. But one thing is sure, Arvind Kejriwal is a man who will run away from this country in 49 days. Remember.
Ma'am, yes, quick final comment.
I don't want anyone to use this platform to harm a woman. So far as Modi is concerned, his right to privacy is constitution guarantee to any woman. He is protecting the wife and her rights. No one in the world has got the right to condemn Modi or his wife. I am ashamed of our people calling so far the women are concerned. It is impossible. Right to privacy is guaranteed under the Constitution. Please remember that.
I don't know who's a Superman and who is not, but I know one thing for a fact, that you all have been a super audience. Thank you so much for joining us in Bengaluru tonight. It's been absolutely brilliant.
One last line, AK-49 we know, right, how he did. He ran away. So